Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself dragging through the day wishing you had just a little more stamina, a bit more energy, a natural boost to your overall performance without having to reach for those artificial supplements or sugary energy drinks? What if I told you there's a secret recipe, a powerful, all-natural combination that has been quietly changing lives? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on this incredible duo, cucumber and pomegranate. Now, I know what you might be thinking, cucumber and pomegranate. It sounds almost too simple to be true, right? But trust me, the effects this simple mix can have on your body are absolutely remarkable. This isn't just about a temporary buzz, it's about building sustainable, natural energy from the inside out. So, if you're ready to unlock a new level of vitality, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's dive right in and start with the foundation of this recipe, the humble cucumber. We all know it's refreshing, but it's so much more than that. I like to call it the ultimate hydration hero. Think about it, cucumber is over 90% water, making it one of the most effective natural hydrators on the planet. When your body is properly hydrated, every single system functions better. Proper hydration cools your internal system, helps flush out unwanted toxins, and even assists in regulating your body temperature, which is crucial for maintaining energy. But here's the part that most people miss. Cucumbers aren't just water. They are packed with key electrolytes and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Why does that matter? Well, potassium is essential for proper muscle function and preventing cramps, while magnesium plays a vital role in converting the food you eat into usable energy. Together, they are a powerhouse for muscle recovery, stamina, and maintaining your body's energy balance. This means that including cucumber in your diet keeps your blood circulation smooth and your body feeling fresh and active, even on the most draining, hottest days. It's the cooling, replenishing base of our secret recipe. Now, let's talk about the other half of this dynamic duo, the real gem of this recipe, the pomegranate. This vibrant, jewel-toned fruit isn't just beautiful, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Pomegranates are absolutely loaded with powerful antioxidants, but what makes them truly special for energy and performance are the naturally occurring nitrates and polyphenols. These compounds are incredible for improving blood flow and enhancing oxygen delivery throughout your entire body. So, what does better blood flow and more oxygen actually mean for you? It means your heart, your brain, and especially your muscles get more of the fuel they need to perform at their best. It's like upgrading the fuel delivery system for your body's engine, but completely naturally. Scientific studies have even shown that regular consumption of pomegranate can lead to improved endurance, better support for hormonal balance, and a significant enhancement in overall vitality. It's literally nature's way of turbocharging your system from within. This isn't a quick fix. It's about building a stronger, more efficient you. So, we have the cucumber, our cooling hydrator and mineral source, and the pomegranate, our circulation-boosting, oxygen-delivering powerhouse. When you combine these two, you create a super drink that doesn't just give you a jolt of energy, but hydrates, energizes, and revitalizes your entire system in perfect harmony. The synergy is what makes this recipe so incredibly effective. It's a balanced approach to wellness that works with your body, not against it. Alright, now for the part you've been waiting for. How do you make this incredible elixir? It's beautifully simple. You'll need one medium-sized cucumber and about 1 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds. First, give the cucumber a good wash. I prefer to leave the skin on for maximum nutrients, but you can peel it if you like. Chop it into manageable pieces. Then, simply add the chopped cucumber and the cup of pomegranate seeds to your blender. Pour in about half a glass of water to help it all blend smoothly. Now blend it all together until it's a smooth, vibrant liquid. At this point, you have a choice. If you prefer a clear, crisp juice, you can strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth. But if you want to get the maximum benefit, including all the fiber, which is fantastic for your digestion, I highly recommend drinking it as is, like a smoothie. The fiber helps to regulate your blood sugar and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. For the absolute best results, timing is key. I recommend drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb all on-demand nutrients efficiently without anything else in the way. Alternatively, you can drink it about 30 minutes before any physical activity, whether that's a workout, a long walk, or even a busy day of chores. It will give you that sustained energy to power through. And the benefits don't stop at energy. Within just a few days of incorporating this into your routine, you'll likely start to notice other amazing changes. Many people report better, smoother digestion, a natural, healthy glow to their skin, and, of course, a noticeable increase in their natural stamina throughout the day. This isn't just about a fleeting feeling of being energized. It's about achieving a state of balance, strength, and feeling a newfound confidence in your body's own capabilities. Let's just recap the magic here. The cucumber cools, cleanses, and refreshes your system, replenishing vital minerals. At the same time, the pomegranate gets to work boosting your blood flow, delivering oxygen, and powering up your energy levels. It's a perfect tag team. You feel refreshed and energized, not jittery and anxious like you might from caffeine or sugar. It's a clean, pure energy that your body will thank you for. So, the next time you're standing in front of the fridge, feeling that afternoon slump, I urge you to think twice before you reach for those chemical-filled energy drinks or synthetic supplements. Give this natural secret recipe a try. It is 100% natural, it's incredibly affordable compared to those expensive powders and potions, and most importantly, it is so effective. Nature has already provided us with everything we need to feel strong, confident, and full of life. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones, and we just have to learn how to use them wisely. This drink is a testament to that. It's a small, simple change you can make in your daily routine that can have a massive, positive impact on your overall well-being. Start your day with this powerful drink. Feel the difference for yourself, from the inside out. Watch as your energy, your stamina, and your vitality are naturally enhanced. Your body knows what to do with these pure, wholesome ingredients. All you have to do is give it a try. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you give this recipe a go and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. If you do, please come back and let me know how it went in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more tips on natural health and wellness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.